It's mango season, also the season of COVID-19. Hence, you cannot have mango party with your friends and family. So, I went through some recipes to make with this delicious fruit and I found one. I'm making really easy mango mousse today and it requires only 3 ingredients. First, I am whipping 500 ml cream in my Bosch Kitchen machine. It will take only 5 to 6 minutes in my kitchen machine to form firm peaks. But we don't need a stiff peak here. Once the cream starts to thicken, let's add half cup condensed milk and whip it for 30 seconds more and our base is ready. As you can see, it's almost stiff now. I'll keep the whipped cream in refrigerator. Next, I'm pulping the mangoes in my mixer grinder. Here I've taken around 1 kg mangoes. That's around a big 3 mangoes. Our mango pulp is ready and let's add that to the cream base. Fold it with your spatula and your mango mousse is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.